Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do when your iCloud shows your custom email domains are expiring soon. So let's get started. So basically, the first option is to close them. Okay, because if you don't have money to pay for the iCloud, then there's last option, then you can close it. Okay, so to stop using your own domain, you have to first open or iCloud.com. Click on this option. Okay, then you have to go to the toolbar, then click on here custom email domain, then select the domain that you want to stop. Just click on stop. Bottom, just click on stop using the domain. Follow the instruction on the screen and you can just close it. And if you want to restore it again, you can go and restore it again as well. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.